Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to tag someone on Facebook after posting a picture. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Facebook mobile application, and then you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account. After that, you just have to post a picture, and then you need to select that particular post on which you want to tag someone after you have posted it. As you can see over here that this is the post that I have posted just now, and now I want to tag my friends on top of this post. So in order to do this, you will have to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen, and after that you need to tap on edit post. Once you have done that, you will be redirected on this type of page where in the bottom you are going to see a bunch of different options. Now among these options, you need to tap on this blue human icon, or instead of this blue human icon you are going to see the tag option. So you need to tap on this option, and then you are going to see the list of all of your friends. So over here you need to select all of your friends that you want to tag on your picture. After selecting them, you just have to come back, and then you need to tap on the save button in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you do this, you will notice that now you have tagged your friends on your Facebook post after the picture is uploaded. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.